the Samsung Galaxy Note 8.5. I mean, the Note 9. Very nondescript box, except for the dog that's in the background. But it's, I guess I got the yellow Stylus. I think I selected that somehow. So let's open it up here. Should just slide out like all the rest of them. Whoosh. And it falls over. This will be the first Pitbull assisted phone opening. Oh, get it, Luna. Get it. You got it? Alright, what do you think? What do you think? Okay. Box with the SIM tool, the SIM ejector tool, Galaxy branding, and of course the ever-present nanny state AT&T. It can wait. Distracted driving is never okay. Ugh. Get out of there. Drop it on the first time.
Mind you, I'm stupid and recording.
Oh, there it is. Look at that thing. That is a fingerprint magnet. Got the pull tab to pull this sucker off. Okay. It's hard to do one-handed, but oh, hi Lexi. So pull this one off. Can't quite capture the sound, but all right. I'm gonna guess that. So we got our standard full-size USB to USB-C converter, quick charge brick, and the SIM card, which I'm not going to care about because after I finish shooting this, I'm going to put my SIM card in here, and some nice, the standard AKG headphones, power cord.
I don't think you're showing anything anymore.
Blip. I mean, they've seen all this. They've watched other unboxings. This is just really mostly to have a Pitbull Samsung Note 9 unboxing video. It's powered on. It's trying to get the glare in there. See, it's got some juice. The Note 9. Everything's powered by Android. You can see the headphone jack is still there. USB-C, downward firing speaker, and the S Pen. See, they fixed the placement of the fingerprint sensor, which is good.